Oh, what's up? You don't know how to Ollie? Well, guess what? You're in luck, because we're going to learn in 4 steps today. Alright, so for the Ollie, for the first step, first thing you want to do, put your feet on the board. Get your front foot below the bolts, get your back foot slightly off the tail. For more pop, make sure the ball of your back foot is on the edge of the tail. Make sure your front foot's tilted too a little. You don't want it to be horizontal with the board. From this step, what you're going to want to do is get a comfortable position, bend your knees. As soon as you're ready to pop, slam the tail back. And as soon as you slam the tail down, what you're going to want to do with your front foot is curl it and then slide it up. You're going to want to learn how to tweak your Ollie. Make it look nice. Show everyone you know how to Ollie. Now that you know how to Ollie, do it over a backpack. Even if you want, do it off a curb. Do whatever you want. I don't care.